In this video, we will be customizing reporting for the team that is within the Atlante Sales Tool. This is a really simple setup, and much of this is turned on actually by default. But we're going to show a couple different places where these types of reports are managed or updated. First and foremost, when you are creating or editing new team members, you will see that there are some reporting features right in the edit user screen. And they're somewhat connected to both what their role is. If they are a manager, admin, or super admin, they will end up in the manager list. If they are a colleague, they will end up in the colleague list. And there are certain reports that if you have added people as managers to a particular user or colleagues to a particular user, though, then those people will actually get to see that person's data specifically in monthly reporting of pipeline. This is on the principle of transparency that's built throughout the Atlante Sales Tool. The other aspects of reporting that are showing on the edit user screen are tied to the assigned pipelines. If they are assigned a pipeline, that not only gives them access to the pipeline, but then they'll see reporting related to that pipeline. Monthly reports also indicate the type of monthly report they'll get. By default, they get a report that shows revenue, deal size, and opportunities for the next 90 days. You can toggle any of those off. For some firms, depending on the industry, they may just do revenue. For other firms, they may have a deal size. This would be equivalent to like a loan size or premium size if you're in the insurance industry. And this can toggles on and off there. As well, the sales tool has a daily sales brief option. You can choose whether or not the manager and or colleagues get it, and in addition, which days they get it, and then you simply save that. Now, if I save this, then on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, both managers and colleagues will get an update regarding Lillian's daily sales data. I'm going to go ahead and save that. The other place where reports show up are within the settings. Within the settings section and the reporting subsection, you can also turn on daily email reminders. So this is a feature where every day in the morning, the user will get a list of all of their either past due or now due opportunities, and it's turned on by default. Additionally, you can manage weekly management emails. So this is anybody who's designated as a manager within the system. This is a weekly report that shows all of the opportunities that are either past due or coming due within the coming week. If you have a weekly sales meeting, then you would want to set this to be shortly before that sales meeting, and then you can save that, and as a manager or whichever manager it is, they will get this email right before their sales meeting. It can also simply be set for Mondays or whenever is most convenient. Monthly core reporting. This is a monthly report that shows the pipeline for all users, and you can change it here based on each individual user, whether they get the report or not, and what parts of the report that they get. These are all turned on by default, so you will get them as a manager, and then you can come in and reduce the reporting if you choose. And then this is a core reporting that admins can apply to the entire firm. So instead of going user by user on monthly core reporting, you can actually choose the settings and then apply them to the entire organization in one function. And those are the primary reporting features within the Atlante Sales Tool. And as a reminder, most of these are turned on by default, so there's not much to do, but it's nice to know how to modify them if needed.